I would like to state 2 points before I start the presentation. Whenever we have a discussion on cloud computing in workshops and seminars, there is a lot of emphasis to a public cloud. And that's kind of interesting to me because all of you customers here have a huge infrastructure investment you have put into place. You have your applications. You are not going to take all of this and you are going to put it in the public cloud. You would like to leverage these investments. But the question we need to answer, why does everybody refer to the public cloud? Why do people not talk about the private cloud? So there are 4 aspects of a public cloud which is very appealing to all the customers. The first, pooling of resources. We have pools of CPU, memory, network storage, and we can use this very efficiently. Going forward, we can scale up, we can scale down, which is called elasticity. We also have a lot of flexibility when it comes to the cloud. We can set up our own cloud, we can share with the provider, we can have a private cloud, we can have a public cloud. And very important, there's a self-service capability which the public cloud offers to us. And this is very appealing. We at VMware, what we are trying to do, we are trying to bring all these attributes into your environment. And I would like to talk to you about your cloud, your private cloud. Therefore, a lot of concerns which have been voiced since yesterday about security, about legal aspects, really do not come into existence if you're talking in your own environment. In fact, I think Prashant said an excellent statement. He said, don't look at a global cloud, look at a cloud in India. And what I would suggest is first look at building a cloud within your organization. Second, I have been in the industry for over 20 years. And honestly, not because I'm standing in VMware, honestly, I feel this is one of the most wonderful technology I have ever dealt with. It brings an immense value to each and every customer. Huge benefit, agility, cost reduction. With that, let me start forward. So this is I'm going to talk to you on 3 points, which is what is virtualization? We'll just cover the basics once more. How will virtualization benefit you? And what are the security concerns in a virtualized environment? Followed by Mr. Mankika will present his case study. These are very fundamental definitions, but extremely important. So what is virtualization? It's a software technology which is allowing us to run a multitude of operating systems on a single physical server, which increases the utilization and flexibility of hardware. On the word of utilization, you will be surprised, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think is the utilization of a server in any of the organization today? Last week, we did a study with one of the large financial organizations in New Bombay, and we found the average utilization of a server over months was just 2%. That's a significant waste of resources of the server. Second, a virtual machine is essentially a software container. And by virtue of that, it therefore brings you a lot of benefits because you can store it as a file, you can copy it as a file, you can transfer it as a file, but it behaves like a full-fledged computer system. These are 2 very fundamental aspects which you should keep in mind, and you will see we'll talk more about this as we go forward. So here you see, this is the legacy world where you had one server, you had an operating system, and you had the application. In most of your organizations, we have come across